What's the meaning of apprentice? Apprentice. Apprentice.
Apprentice. Apprentice. An apprentice is a person who is learning a trade or skill from a more experienced person, often through on-the-job training. Apprenticeships have been used throughout history as a way for people to gain practical experience and knowledge in a particular field. The apprentice typically works alongside the master, observing and assisting in various tasks until they have acquired the necessary skills to work independently. This hands-on training approach has been proven effective in many industries and is still widely used today. Overall, an apprentice is someone who is undergoing a period of training in order to become proficient in a specific trade or profession.